SurfShark VPN review. SurfShark discount codes. Are you looking for a secure and reliable VPN to protect your privacy while surfing the web? Save your money with our exclusive SurfShark VPN discount code and get the best deal on the market. Unlock the power of SurfShark and take control of your online security. SurfShark is an amazing VPN, and one of the greatest things about SurfShark is its price. And as you can see right here, it's just $2.49 per month. You can save up to 81% if you buy the 24-month plan. And as you can see right here, even if you buy the single month, it's going to cost you $12.95. And if you buy the 12-month, it's going to cost you $3.99. If you compare this with other VPNs, you will find that it is significantly cheaper than other VPNs. And as you can see over here, even Surfshark compares its prices to other VPNs. It gives you a little bit of demo, if you will. One of the greatest things about it is its pricings and its features. It has a number of devices, as you can see, an unlimited number of devices. ExpressVPN has 5, CyberGhost has 7, private internet access has 5. If you're wondering about Nord, also allows only 7 users. Number of servers over here are 100 plus. It has the most servers by countries than any other VPN. Even NordVPN doesn't even have it. It gives you a dedicated ad blocker, a bypasser, 24/7 support, and Surfshark Nexus technology as well. Although these don't have that, but still, it is a good thing to have. And they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you go ahead and try it and you don't like it, you can still get your money back within 30 days. All you have to do is just contact and email their support team. Now, if you're talking about feature-wise, they have tons of features. As I mentioned, they have this ad blocker that helps you block all the ads. It supports unlimited devices on any network, whether it be Chrome, Firefox, iOS, OS, Android, Linux, Windows, anything as well. A bypasser as well, strict kill switch, private DNS, and leak protection, and all these amazing features that you would get only for $2.39 a month. Although if you go ahead and buy the 24-month, you're gonna have to pay $59.76 annually. It's a one-time payment, and for 24 months you won't have to pay a cent. And as I said before, over here you can see the pricing of NordVPN. You can see all 3 plans. The standard plan starts at $3.29, whereas over here on Surfshark, the standard plan, if you go with monthly, you will see that its payment structure is a little bit different. And over here, if you come over here and compare it with Nord, as you can see, this is the 2-year plan. And over here, as you can see, they charge you $161 for the first 2 years to get the, as you would say, the maximum benefits and the most features. Whereas over here, you just have to pay $59.79 for 24 months and you get all of these features. You won't have to worry about that. It's even comparing it with ExpressVPN, you will find that Surfshark gives you a much better price and how it runs. So as you can see right here, this is how Surfshark VPN looks like, and over here it has a bunch of different, as you can see, countries and servers. So over here it has dedicated IP, it has multi-hub, which means that you can go ahead and jump between different servers. So as you can see, you can go from USA to Canada, New York to Toronto. As you can see, you can hop between different servers. It has a static IP, which is going to be a dedicated IP address, and it's not going to change no matter what. This is good as well. And then of course it has location. It also gives you alerts, anti-leak protection, I would say. It also has a antivirus, a Surfshark search, which keeps an eye on the dark web and tells you if there is any potential leaks or not. But overall, it's very, very helpful. You can even download it as an extension as well. As you can see right here, this is how the extension looks like. Very similar to the interface of the actual application right here. Not much difference. It works really, really well. And all you have to do, we connect to the fastest location that is available to us. We'll connect. And there you go. It's connected to United Arabs, which is the closest and the fastest server I can find. And then all you have to do is just go ahead and surf the internet. And you can use it on streaming services such as Netflix and others as well to find shows that weren't available to you normally. Overall, I would definitely give Surfshark 9 out of 10 in my personal score. It's very, very fast, simple to use, and easy to use. My favorite feature about Surfshark, the number of devices. I can quickly go ahead and buy a Surfshark for myself and then share it with my friends and family members. They won't have to worry about their account being logged off because of the restricted number of devices that a VPN supports. With Surfshark, that's not an issue as it supports unlimited devices. If you wanted to have a deeper comparison with Surfshark and NordVPN, I'd recommend going ahead and checking out this video at the end that will pop up on the screen. you can go ahead and watch that video. Having said that, let me know in the comment section what you think about SurfShark. Do you think that it is one of the greatest VPNs out there, and is it better than NordVPN? So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.